Advanced formatting in HTML5 charts in Jasper reports. Today we will talk about the advanced formatting in HTML5 charts. While basic formatting options allow you to customize the look and feel of your chart, you can customize the chart even further through the advanced formatting properties. The advanced formatting properties are essentially a way to configure HighCharts JavaScript formatting options and can be reviewed on their website. All the basic formatting options are still accessible through the advanced properties. You'll just need to know what to change. So let's get started with advanced formatting. For this video, I'll be using one of the charts I've previously created. It is a very simple bar chart. Let's take a look at it. It has just one category expression, one value expression, and it doesn't have any custom or simple formatting. Let's just show preview and see what we are dealing with. As you can see, it is a very simple chart, a very simple bar chart default. So let's say we want to add something to this chart. Let's say a subtitle to our x-axis to clarify what we mean by this axis. So how would we do that? So to do that, let's go to the Chart Formatting tab and press Show Advanced Properties. This displays us the advanced formatting view, and as you can see, it's all this collection of folders. These folders are groups of HighCharts JavaScript API formatting options. They're all grouped, but what they're applied to and what object they apply to. You can tell what object they're applied to by the name of the folder. So this is the x-axis properties group, this is the title, this is the tooltip, etc. Since we wanted to change the way our x-axis look by adding the subtitle, let's expand this x-axis folder. Now you're presented with all these properties and their default values here. It can be a bit overwhelming to know what is doing what, but you can hover over the property and you will get a tooltip that tells you what the property does, what values it accepts, and what interactions does it have with other properties. So it can be very helpful to figure out how to configure these. So we would need to change a title, and to do that let's scroll down until we get to the title object of the x-axis. Here we see all the title properties, title related properties, and to add a title we would need to edit this text property. Let's double click on it and we get this edit property value window. Here we can, in this field, input our value just like this. Or we can press this checkbox to use an expression. Here we can specify an expression similar to how expressions are specified anywhere else in the report. So this is going to be some Java expression, and you can do some calculations here, and the value of the expression will be returned to the value of the property. This is very useful if you want to customize your chart based on the user input or based on the field values or something else is required. Let's not use this first. Let's press cancel, switch back to the value. We have some text here. Let's press OK. Now you'll see this change to yellow. The property changed to yellow. This means it's modified. So let's press the preview to see what we get. So as you can see, we have now some text here next to the x-axis. We can do some other manipulations with this text, and for example we can rotate it like this. And here it is. Here's the rotation. You can modify many more aspects of the charts. You can also modify the plot itself. To do that, let's go to the plot options, and you'll see all these types of plots supported by the HTML5 charts. So we're dealing with bar. Let's go to bar. And here we can go to the data labels and enable them. refresh, and here you can see the data labels added to the chart. You can also click this checkbox to show only the edited properties to see how the chart was customized. You can also reset the value to the default if you don't want it to be custom. And you can also press add to add the values that are not listed here in the configuration reference, but is available in the API. Thanks for watching the video. In this video we have talked about the advanced formatting, and we learned how to switch to advanced formatting in the chart configuration window. We have learned how to access the properties and how they are grouped. We have learned how to modify the properties and what is the difference between passing a simple value or an expression to the property. We have learned how to see the list of modified properties and how to reset them. In our next video, we will learn how to create hyperlinks in charts. Thank you.